You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. I love this word actually, because the pronunciation is fascinating. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. The pronunciation, you've got it on your screen, the phonetic pronunciation, pusillanimous. It means showing a lack of courage or determination, aka timid. Pusillanimous. Stress on both the first syllable, the pu syllable, and the la syllable, the third syllable. Pusillanimous. Pusillanimous. It's easy once you know, pretty straightforward. And now, pusillanimous, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.